Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking compatibility. Verify your Mac model supports Bootcamp and that you have a 64-bit Windows ISO. Once done, free at least 40 GB and back up with Time Machine so you can restore if needed. Make sure Mac OS and firmware are fully updated. This prevents driver or installer failures. Then open Bootcamp Assistant and select the ISO and desired partition size. Follow prompts to create the Windows USB or image and start the installer. Don't skip the backup step. Once the Mac restarts, the Windows installer appears. Choose the Bootcamp partition and format it as NTFS if prompted. You should follow the installer steps, region, keyboard, and account options. After Windows completes initial setup, you must install Bootcamp drivers so hardware like Wi-Fi, trackpad, and GPU work correctly. Run setup. EXE from the Bootcamp USB or mounted image and accept driver installations. Restart when prompted, and then adjust Bootcamp control panel settings to tune keyboard mapping and power behavior. To finish, update Windows through Windows Update and install any remaining drivers or OEM updates so stability is maximized. You can switch OS at startup by holding the Option key. Make sure to set your default OS in Mac OS system preferences if desired. If you encounter problems, missing drivers, black screen, or USB not working, rerun the Bootcamp drivers installer or Open Device Manager to update specific drivers. As a key tip, keep a Mac OS backup and the original Windows ISO handy. They let you recover or recreate the install quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.